A gaping hole in the middle of a busy roadway was the scene of concern in Morant Bay, St. Thomas Tuesday afternoon. But unlike the usual breakaways caused by heavy rains, this one was triggered by a fire, forcing emergency action from the National Works Agency. Ramada Lyons reports.
A man stooping in a hole in the middle of the road. Not something you see every day, and for unknowing motorists, it could end in tragedy, both in its current state and before it gets to that point. This is along the main road in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, and it's not a typical road breakaway or collapse. It's the result of a fire. Communication manager for the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says emergency works were carried out immediately.
A culvert that was burnt from beneath the road caused the embankment to collapse. Now, this is something that we have actually been speaking about as an agency. The wanton use of fire in areas that are not supposed to be set ablaze.
It said that the culvert was affected by the fire. Now the culvert is some 7 feet below the roadway.
Had it not been for the road caving in at one point, we would not have been aware of the situation. And so I really want to urge Jamaicans to exercise care, to exercise caution when they are using fires, especially now that we're into a dry spell.
Speaking of dry spell, traffic flow virtually dried up Wednesday afternoon. Vehicles stretched for meters, barely moving. A commuter's nightmare. And with petrol prices on the increase, it was more than a nightmare for taxi operators. That's why the St. Thomas Taxi Association was very pleased by the NWA's swift response.
What I am happy about is the quick response from the mayor and the China Harbour and the workers. They are here assessing the situation and to get the vehicular traffic moving.
It can be fatal if persons are traveling along a particular corridor, not knowing that there is nothing holding the embankment. The road in such a circumstance would be floating. That's how we describe it, which is dangerous.
The issue of fires potentially causing roadways to collapse could be averted with the removal of plastic pipes running beneath roadways. But Mr. Shaw added,
the concrete pipes, they take longer to be laid, and so the turnaround time between when you excavate and be able to be in a position to backfill so that traffic can once again use the road is much longer.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.